Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we are going to scrape indeed.com. Already I scraped this website, this hard website using split method, Python split method. Today we will also download this HTML from this indeed.com using Playwright. Then we will download the HTML file in our local computer. Then we will scrape it or parse that HTML file using BeautifulSoup. I write some articles on this indeed.com, how to scrape this indeed.com in my own blog here. I will give this URL in my description. You can check it. Okay, and you can check my GitHub also. No problem. This is my GitHub. Here I also give the code. Okay, come here. Now we are going to scrape all of this. Okay. Now I have already copy paste the code in my VS Code. This is the VS Code. Here I have used here to download the HTML file from the indeed.com. I have already described in the previous. I will just go on quickly from here. Here it is synchronized playwright, then time. Then we are using a browser by using this Playwright Chromium launch, and headless false is that means we can see the website is running visually. Then we are using a context variable where a new context is used. That new context is used for here because we want to include our user agent. This user agent is so much crucial, because if you do not use this user agent, the website indeed.com website will block you. After that we are using this new page, then we are using the URL, then I am using here 3 seconds sleep to load the page quick more properly and the work like as a human. Okay, now this part is for infinitive scroll. This part is for infinitive scroll. It is not mainly needed in this indeed.com, but if you want to scrape any website which has infinitive scroll, you can use this code also. Then we are writing the whole content in a content.html file. Okay, now I am running this. If you run this code, it is our terminal. Look, this website is running as the headless is false, and it will scroll the full website and it will gather the HTML from this indeed.com. Look at, there is a new file is created, content.html, and here all the HTML file is created. All the HTML file is created here. Okay, come here. If you want to use any screenshot, you can make a screenshot to see that what is happening here. It's your choice, so it is not mandatory. Okay, then come here. I will now parse this content.html using BeautifulSoup. This is my code. I just imported BeautifulSoup from VS Code, then I imported Panda, then I am reading this content.html file using this R attribute. Okay, then content equal to fread, then I am using soup equal to BeautifulSoup. This content is the thing, this is the HTML file what I have saved here, and this HTML file is reading by me. Now this HTML file is okay, this is now reading. What is the problem? Okay, I think it will work now. Why it is not working? Okay, this is the name of this our HTML file, then it is the reading method, and this encoding is important. If you do not use this encoding, sometime it will give you error. Here feature is I am using LXML. You can also use HTML parser. It is your choice. towards save, no problem. Okay, now I am using the BeautifulSoup to parse things. Listings here I am using soup find all. Find all is will find this tag, this TD tag, which class is result.content. Then using this thing I will find the all contents. Look at theirs. How can I find here? I find it here from this website. If you uh, if you inspect this, you will find that it is a TD tag. Look at here, this is A. Then come here, look at here, this is mainly a TD tag. That means it is a TD tag. It is also a TD tag, and this TD tag is defined by a class. The name of this class is result content. Result content. I think you understand this. This result content we will take this result. Okay, come in the VS Code. Look at here. This is the name of the tag, and this is the name of the class. Here we have to write this class in this way. I used in this code. You can use another code also. Suppose you can use this code select method. Select method is same as find all method, but in select method we are using the CSS selector. This is the difference. This is the difference. In the find all method we are using tag and attribute, but in the soup.select method you are using the CSS selector. CSS selector is nothing but same about this. Look at here, I just write the name of tag, then I have written the name of the class also, but here class is represented by a dot. This dot means class. This is called CSS selector. So you can use any of them, no problem. Okay, by using this we are now taking all the listings. That means all the company are listing. Okay, now inside this listing we'll grab this title, this company name, and the location of this company name. Okay, come in the code. Here for I listing in enumerate, that means it will show the number of title 1, title 2, title 3, company 1, company 2, company 3. Okay, go on. Title listing dot select. Here I am using title select method. In this select method, what it is referring, this is referring, it is so interesting. Here it is referring that I am going to select all those elements which have a title attribute. This title is an attribute, and this attribute is true. That means it has a existence. We don't know what is the value of this title, but we know that it is true. That means it is existed. If you use this, then we will found a element and a list of elements, and that in that list we just need the first element. From this first element we also need this just the text also, nothing but nothing else. I think you understand. Okay, just come here, and this way company name listing dot select. This is the also tag name, and this is the tag value. This is the attribute name. Sorry, it is not the tag, it is the attribute, and this is attribute, and it is the value of the attribute. This company name is the it is selecting a element which has this attribute and this value, and after selecting the element we are taking the first word and a first element of that list, string, list of string, and then from the first element we are taking the get text. That means all the text will be gathered and stored in this company name. At the same way, company location listing.select test ID text location, where 0 is the first and the get text. Okay, in this way we can gather all the three variables. Now in the last video I explained the title this line properly step by step. In this code I will explain this company name step by step, that you can realize this properly, and it will be a practice session for you. Okay, how can we do it? Just hold on me. I am just comment it out to avoid every error. Okay, now I am just running this company name. Okay, first we have to go that what is this attribute, where is that attribute, we have to see this. Okay, come here and just come here and inspect it. Okay, go there. There we will found that many things, many attribute will be found here. Just go there, and this is the title name, but it is not our target. Our target this company name Reliant LLC. Okay, inspect this. Now come, no, we need this, not anything. It is again come here. No, we don't know this. We need this. These things we need. This ID we need. Okay, come here. Here I think we will find our expected text. This text is our target. This Reliant LLC is our target. This is the name of the company, and this company name is under a spend tag. In this spend tag there is a attribute. Just I am zoom in that you can easily realize this. Come here, I am just make it a bigger. Okay, where is our targeted things? This is, I will inspect this. Okay, come here. This is the thing. No, we need this. Okay, come here. This is Reliant LLC. Okay, I think now you can see this. I will now annotate it that you can easily see this. Okay, see there, this is the things. This is this data test ID. What is this? It is nothing but a attribute. It is a attribute, and just concentrate on this. What is the value of this attribute? It is company name. This is the value of this attribute. So in our BeautifulSoup we are using that select tag. Select, before that we just write listing. Our listing full div is full td tag is our listing. Then listing dot select, and what is selecting this? This selecting this attribute value. The attribute value is data test id equal to company name. Then when it is selecting this, it will gather all of the things here. Okay, all of the things here. But from this thing I need, what is thing? I need only the first item. I do not need for this data test id there and company name there will be many things. For select there will be a list of data test id company name, but I need the first item also. For first, and the first item is this Reliant LLC. As I need the first item, I am giving the 0 index, and for even using this 0 index I am use also this method get text. Get text method will only take the text value. It will not take any tag or attribute. It will only extract the text value, and we need the text value. I hope you understand. Okay, now come here, come in code. In this code, this is because I use this 0 dot get text. Okay, I hope you understand. When you used select method, you must have two 0, but there is another process. If you want to use select one, then you can do not have to use this 0. I will show it, no problem. Just I am commented out everything. In the same way, the title listing is working. In the same way, company location is working. And this 3 variable is coming. After that, I will take this 3 variable in total data empty list by appending method. Then I am creating a pandas data frame, which column is title, company name, and company location. Okay, I am now running it. When I running it, I will find the data frame. Okay, run it. Look at this. This is the data frame, 15 rows, 3 columns. If I zoom it out, you will see it properly. Look at this, the data frame, it is properly. Now again I am zooming to show it. Okay, if I now comment it out, this data frame will be saved in Excel file named D and in CSV file. Okay, I'm running it. Look at this, this is the data frame and it is saved here in Excel file. This is the Excel file, title, company name, and the company location, and it is the CSV file. And if you want our folder, if you going to our folder and see this, we will found this here also. This is the folder. Open this. This is the Excel file. This is the Excel file. Just now we create this Excel file from our pandas data frame. The title name, company name, location. This way you can extract the whole job listing from indeed.com. Okay, now I will see you something so much important in BeautifulSoup. Come here. I will give you all the code. Look at here. As I said you, from there select method, this if you write in this select method, you can write it, but you can also use this method also. This method is using find method, no problem. I am writing it here. To see it, you can use this also. This is, look at what is going there. This is just I am using finding method, and in this find method we know we have to mention the spend tag. Then in curly brackets you have to say that this is our title tag and it is true, that means it is existed, then everything is same. This is one method. Another method is, I am showing you every method that it will be very useful for you to run this in various method. Okay, this is another method. Already I used these methods. Okay, this is another method, as I said you, just a little bit method. This is another method. Look at this. If you select, you have to use this index 0, but if you use select 1, you do not have to use this index 0. This is the difference between select and select 1. It is so important, you have to understand this. When you use this 0 select, you must have to use this 0 index, but when you use select 1, you do not have to use any 0 index. It is so important. I think you will understand. Okay, another method. I will show you every method I have commented out here. You can check it here. I will give it in my code, no problem. There is another system, and I think this is a good system. You can also use this method also here. Look at this here. This is a method also. In this I am explaining it. It will be interesting and it will be helpful for your complex web scraping method. Look at here selecting one, then the span name. If you want, if in the select method we are do not bound to mention the tag name span. Look at there, this is a select method. Here I do not mention the tag name, but here I mention the tag name. It is optional. This text is optional. It is, you are not bounded, it is not mandatory. I am writing it here. Okay, look at this. This is optional. This is not mandatory. But when you use find method, this is find method. Here this span tag is mandatory. Mandatory. That means in when you will use find method, you have to mention this title tag. This span tag must be. But when you will use select method, select or select one, you can use this span tag, or you can use this title attribute without mentioning this span tag. It is your choice, no problem. Okay, what is the explanation of this code? It is now selecting one element which has a spent element which has a title tag, and the title tag is not false. That means this title tag must have a value. If the title tag must have a value with a span, then we will select that element, and from that element we will get the text only. This is our title. I think you understand properly. I will share the full code in my website, no problem. Okay, now I am commenting it out. After commenting out, if I am commenting out this also, and if I run this, I will found the data frame. Okay, any problem here? No problem here, because okay, I am this commenting this first title. Here I am using this find method. Okay, I am running it. Look at this, it is working properly. But before I use select method, now I am using find method. It is working properly. If you want to see this, I am just comment it out. I use this big line code which look complex but suitable for many complex web scraping method. Okay, I am running it. Look, this, it is working properly. It is amazing. That means you can scrape this title tag in one method, two method, three method, four method, and various method also. For now today, Assalamu alaikum. I will inshallah I will try to parse the whole HTML file using Playwright also. I will show it in the next video inshallah. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.